Juju is putting down. All right, Jeff.
Riley's like doing one shoulder. I know, that's what I'm thinking of.
What's it gonna be, girl? It's me against the world. Every fiber of my being, I'll be true to thee. As a magnified love, as a missionary, I'll come back a Bible scholar, baby, wait and see. So the Bible on for 2 years, honey, and wait for me. Better wait for me. Wait for me.
Is Normie supposed to be
I'll
curvy?
think of you as I humber the heathen and the sailor. And the tapeworms in Brazil will be home to you much thinner. It's a young tabernacle on the ways hotel. One from home won't be much more than a full-grown 21. Oh, 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 what's it gonna be, girl? Oh, 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 it's me against the world. Every fiber of my being, I'll be true to thee. As a magnified love, as a missionary, I'll come back a Bible scholar, baby, wait and see. So put a blindfold on for 2 years, honey. And when I make up I don't go out in public.
I'm surprised Normie's not the shower.
I love to be sure to stare at it. Just put the light on, movie and fast forward. When I get back, oh, oh, oh. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be, girl?
Did she actually show the book?
Yeah, against the world.
I thought it's supposed to be Danny. Oh yeah, I forgot. They take the book off and then they put it back.
Oh, don't really have to hurt.
Oh my gosh.
Good job, everyone. It's not done.
The Kimmel's holding your hand.
Oh, don't take my best friend.
Oh, yes. Maybe cover your mouth.